CTO.ai is truly an embedded extension to our technical team, and they also are an incredibly knowledgeable service and consulting arm when it comes to infrastructure, scalability, and performance optimization. Hi, my name is Jamie Lubiner, and I run development and product for Attendease. Attendease is a software as a service product that allows event managers to run their marketing campaigns, collect registrations, manage the event agenda, and manage all the attendee backend for running online and in-person events. Our experience with CTO.ai has been wonderful. They rescued us from a bad situation back when we lost our entire infrastructure team. They took the torch and hit the ground running right away, brought us to where we needed to be, and are well on the way to having a fully auto-scaling infrastructure. They improved our continuous integration and deployment processes and modernized those. The velocity in executing our infrastructure roadmap has immensely increased by a factor of years. Ever since CTO.ai has come on board, we've had way less outages and bottlenecks and things like that, and our time to resolve has been way quicker with their expertise. I would recommend CTO.ai to any team looking to modernize their infrastructure as a software business, prepare for scalability, and have someone always available to help as your business grows.